Hello creatives, Ephemeral here with another tutorial. This time we're doing a poster design using Photoshop and Illustrator. It's really simple to design and anyone can do it. It's based on some text and some shapes and color, and that's basically it. Without further ado, let's roll the intro and jump right in. So yeah, as you can see, we have a vector smart object in here and my background and some text. Let me just... okay, I have the background image. Let me just replicate this really fast. Create a new layer, Control Shift N, hit U on your keyboard and then select your favorite color and then just draw a rectangle, not a circle, a rectangle like this, and then center it vertically and horizontally. Yeah, just like this. And now we can add some noise, filter noise, add noise, convert a smart object of course, and then maybe cut 10, delete this one. And now the vector smart object is basically done in Illustrator. Is this shape is basically two circles with stroke 1, and then let me just show you real fast how I did it. So you have two circles, select them both and then press W on your keyboard and you will have the blend tool. Click in the middle of the first one and in the middle of the second one, and then you have double click on it and then click specify steps and then tick preview and make it as big as you want. I will go with 50, and the next thing, press P on your keyboard so you have the pen tool and just click once, twice in here, and then A on your keyboard and you have this form, and you can also make it a bit smoother like on the circle on the edge, and it's basically like this. And then you can use the width tool, the warp, the twirl, and just make a form like this and then just select it. I will go with my first one and hit Ctrl C on your keyboard and then Ctrl V, select smart object and paste it, and this is basically my form. It's on lighten, opacity 100%, and I've zoomed it a bit and rotated. The next thing is the text. I've added some text, but let me change it to my favorite one, accidents grotesque, or this. I will change it like this because the other text on my poster is also accidents grotesque, and it's like this. And also added some symbols in here and then some dots just to make it more dynamic, to make it more interesting. And the next thing that I did is added the border. Yeah, it's not necessary. And then added 194 and 3, then my template text, and yeah, this is basically it. You can change the color, the whole color, by going in, double clicking on the folder and then click on color overlay and select your color, and yeah, it's done guys. It's really simple and it only took like 5 minutes. I hope you liked it, and if so, please don't forget to like this video to show your support and your love. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'm almost at 1000 subscribers and I'm really hyped about it. And yeah guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.